In the world of firearms, finding high-quality guns that don't break the bank can be a challenge. But fear not. We've scoured the market to bring you the top 10 firearms under $300 in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or a newcomer, these options offer exceptional value without compromising performance. Remember to subscribe for more insightful content like this. 10. Phoenix Arms HP22. A compact, budget-friendly pistol. Starting off our list is the Phoenix Arms HP22A, a compact semi-automatic pistol chambered in .22 long rifle. With a 3-inch barrel and a weight of just 20 ounces, this handgun is designed for ease of carry and recreational shooting. It features a zinc alloy frame and a stainless steel barrel, providing a balance of durability and affordability. While it has a small caliber, its effective range reaches up to 75 yards with a muzzle velocity of about 1,000 feet per second. The HP22A comes equipped with a manual safety, magazine disconnect safety, and fixed sights. Though customization options are limited, aftermarket grips and extended magazines can enhance usability. Ideal for target practice and first-time gun owners, this pistol is an excellent entry-level option for those looking for a reliable, yet inexpensive firearm. At around $250, it delivers solid value for casual shooting and basic self-defense needs. 9. Stevens 320 Security, a powerful home defense shotgun. For those prioritizing home defense, the Stevens 320 Security is a reliable and affordable pump-action shotgun chambered in 12-gauge. With an 18.5-inch barrel and a weight of 6.8 pounds, it is built for durability and ease of use. Its synthetic stock and ergonomic pistol grip provide better control, while its rotary bolt ensures smooth cycling. Capable of firing a variety of 12-gauge loads, including buckshot and slugs, the Stevens 320 has a muzzle velocity of 1,200 to 1,600 feet per second, depending on the ammunition. Its effective range of 40 yards makes it ideal for home protection scenarios. Priced at around $285, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking for a dependable shotgun without breaking the bank. 8. Rock Island Armory M200, a budget-friendly revolver. The Rock Island Armory M200 is a double-action revolver chambered in .38 Special, featuring a solid steel frame and a polymer grip. With a 4-inch barrel and a 6-round cylinder, this revolver is designed for simplicity and reliability. Known for its low maintenance and dependable function, the M200 has an effective range of 50 yards with a muzzle velocity of around 850 feet per second. While revolvers typically have limited capacity, the M200's robust design ensures it remains a trusted choice for self-defense. With a price tag of approximately $280, this revolver offers classic reliability at an affordable cost. 7. Rossi RS22, a lightweight, affordable rifle. For those looking for an inexpensive yet accurate rifle, the Rossi RS22 is an excellent choice. Chambered in .22 long rifle, it features an 18-inch barrel and weighs just 4.1 pounds. Its semi-automatic action and 10-round detachable magazine make it a great option for small game hunting and target shooting. The RS22 offers an effective range of up to 100 yards and a muzzle velocity of 1,200 feet per second. It comes equipped with adjustable fiber optic sights and a Picatinny rail for optics. At around $175, this rifle is a fantastic budget-friendly option for beginner shooters and experienced marksmen alike. 6. Hi-Point C9, a no-frills, affordable pistol. The Hi-Point C9 is a budget-friendly semi-automatic pistol chambered in 9mm. Featuring a 3.5-inch barrel and a weight of 29 ounces, it is built with a zinc alloy slide and polymer frame. While some users find it bulky, its weight helps reduce recoil, making it easier to control. With an effective range of 50 yards and a muzzle velocity of 1,000 feet per second, the C9 offers reliable accuracy for self-defense. It includes fixed sights, a manual safety, and a magazine disconnect safety. Though it lacks extensive customization options, extended magazines and grip upgrades are available. At approximately $200, the Hi-Point C9 is one of the most affordable self-defense pistols on the market. 5-point SCCY CPX2-A reliable, high-capacity pistol. The SCCY CPX2 is one of the most reliable and budget-friendly concealed carry pistols available today. Chambered in 9mm, it features a 3.1-inch barrel and weighs just 15 ounces, making it an excellent choice for everyday carry. Despite its compact size, The CPX2 is built with a high-strength polymer frame and a stainless steel slide. This design provides a secure hold, helping shooters maintain control and accuracy even with rapid fire. The double-action-only DAO trigger pull adds an extra layer of safety by requiring a deliberate pull to fire. The CPX2 has a magazine capacity of 10+1 rounds, giving it a decent amount of firepower for a subcompact firearm. While it lacks an accessory rail for attachments, its built-in 3-dot sights allow for quick target acquisition. With an effective range of 45 yards and a muzzle velocity of around 1,000 feet per second, it performs well for self-defense situations. Another advantage of the SCCY CPX2 is its affordability and lifetime warranty, making it an attractive choice for budget-conscious gun owners. Priced at around $270, it delivers exceptional value without sacrificing quality. 4. Savage Axis. 2. A budget-friendly precision rifle. For those looking for an entry-level precision rifle, the Savage Axis 2 is a fantastic choice. Chambered in .308 Winchester, this bolt-action rifle is known for its accuracy and reliability. It features a 22-inch carbon steel barrel, which provides increased bullet stability and velocity. The synthetic stock is lightweight, weather-resistant, and designed for comfort, making it ideal for both new and experienced hunters. What makes the Axis 2 stand out is its factory-installed AccuTrigger system, which allows shooters to adjust the trigger pull weight for a crisp and predictable break. This feature significantly enhances shooting accuracy, making the rifle a strong performer at distances beyond 500 yards. With a muzzle velocity of approximately 2,650 feet per second, the Savage Axis 2 offers great ballistic performance, ensuring sufficient stopping power for medium to large game hunting. Additionally, it comes with a pre-installed scope rail, allowing users to easily mount optics for enhanced precision. At a price point of around $290, the Axis 2 is one of the most affordable long-range rifles on the market. Its combination of affordability, accuracy, and ease of use makes it an excellent choice for those seeking a budget-friendly precision rifle. 3. Taurus G2C, a concealed carry favorite. The Taurus G2C is a compact 9mm pistol that has gained a strong reputation for reliability and affordability. Designed for concealed carry, it features a 3.2-inch barrel and weighs 22 ounces, striking a balance between compactness and durability. Built with a high-impact polymer frame and aggressive texturing on the grip, the G2C ensures a secure and comfortable hold, even in stressful situations. It also includes an integrated trigger safety and manual thumb safety for added security. One of the biggest advantages of the G2C is its 12-round magazine capacity, which is higher than many other compact pistols in its class. Its effective range of 50 yards, coupled with a muzzle velocity of 1,050 feet per second, provides sufficient stopping power for self-defense situations. Additionally, the Taurus G2C comes with adjustable rear sights, allowing users to fine-tune their aim for better accuracy. Priced at around $275, the best budget shotgun. If you're looking for a versatile and affordable shotgun, the Mossberg Maverick 88 is one of the best options available. Known as the workhorse shotgun, it is widely used for home defense, hunting, and sport shooting. Chambered in 12-gauge, it features an 18.5-inch barrel and a 5-round magazine capacity. The Maverick 88 shares many design elements with the popular Mossberg 500 series, including dual extractors and twin action bars for smooth and reliable cycling. It has an effective range of about 40 yards, making it ideal for close-quarters situations such as home defense. Depending on the ammunition used, it can achieve a muzzle velocity of 1,200 to 1,600 feet per second. While the basic model lacks some of the refinements found in higher-end shotguns, its simplicity is also its strength. It requires minimal maintenance and has a proven track record of reliability. At approximately $250, the Maverick 88 is one of the best value shotguns for those on a budget. 1. Ruger EC9s, the best budget pistol of 2025. Topping our list is the Ruger EC9s, a compact and reliable 9mm pistol that excels in affordability and performance. It features a 3.12-inch barrel, weighs only 17.2 ounces, and has a slim profile, making it an excellent choice for concealed carry. The EC9s is built with a high-strength glass-filled nylon frame and an alloy steel slide, ensuring durability while maintaining a lightweight design. Its single-stack magazine holds 7 rounds, making it slightly lower in capacity than some competitors, but its slim build makes it one of the easiest pistols to carry discreetly. With a muzzle velocity of approximately 1,050 feet per second and an effective range of 50 yards, The EC9S delivers solid performance for personal protection. It also includes built-in sights, a striker-fired action with an integrated trigger safety, and a smooth trigger pull for accurate shooting. At a price of just $299, the Ruger EC9s provides unbeatable value, making it our top choice for the best budget pistol of 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more firearm-related content, and let us know in the comments which budget firearm is your favorite. Thanks for watching and stay safe.